The world's most powerful nation has started to withdraw from the World Health Organization in the midst of a global pandemic, and the backlash has been relentless.
It is very much a devastating blow to global health. Donald Trump is looking for a scapegoat. We have a complete mess in this country, rising cases, record level rising new cases of COVID every day, over 130,000 people dead. And the person responsible for that, if Donald Trump is looking for that person, is certainly not the head of the WHO. I think Donald Trump needs to look in the mirror for that.
Health experts worry the impact of the U.S. withdrawal could extend beyond the current crisis.
I'm nervous that when the U.S. withdraws, it damages WHO's budget. And WHO is the only group we have to fight worldwide pandemics, worldwide infectious diseases, Ebola, Zika, cholera outbreaks. Even polio eradication to some extent is helped by WHO. So having less money to go after those major challenges to public health is a problem.
The U.S. is the biggest donor to the WHO, contributing more than $800 million in the last two-year funding period. The Trump administration blames the exit on an alleged China bias at the WHO and its slow response to the COVID-19 pandemic, among other things. The U.S. had already frozen funding back in April.
The World Health Organization has a long history of corruption and politicization. And it's not that it doesn't get some pieces of their program right, that's certainly true. But on balance, this organization has not been able to deliver on its core mission for decades.
The WHO on Thursday announced plans to set up a panel to investigate the global COVID-19 response, including its own. But plans for this investigation have been in the works for months.
The timing of this, to withdraw the money in this moment when the WHO itself is investigating and trying to see where it went wrong, is absolutely ridiculous. Why not actually work with the process, work with the WHO, engage with them on what mistakes were made, what needs to be done in the future?
I think it's better to take up your issues as a member than to try and pull out completely and still influence the direction of the WHO.
China is standing behind the International Health Agency.
This
is another demonstration of the U.S. pursuing unilateralism, withdrawing from groups and breaking contracts.
The Trump administration has 1 year to meet conditions for a withdrawal, but an exit by July next year is not a guarantee. Much of it is contingent on Donald Trump winning re-election in November. If he loses, political rival Joe Biden has already promised to rejoin the agency. I'm Li Ling Tan for CGTN in New York.